Vishwasai.
A recital of Satcharitra on Thursdays between 6 and 6:30 in the evening.
Shubham Bhavatu.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Namaskar, I am Ashok Vyas. Om Shri Sai Ram Gurudeva Datta. Om Sai Ram. That is the greeting many people have. Devotees feel great when they greet each other by that name which connects them to that which is always uplifting, which is always empowering, which is the one that is sustaining us at all the time.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnur, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha.
And remembering that in the form of Shirdi Baba, especially in this program, Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai, by His grace and by special blessings of Vishwa Yogi Vishwamji Maharaj, as well as wholehearted support of Dr. Nuri Dattatreya.
Sadanimba vrukshasya mooladhivasat sudhasravinam tiktamapyapriyantam tarum kalpavrukshadhikam sadhayantam namamishwaram sadgurum Sayinatham. Om Sri Sayinathaya Namaha.
Here we are again enjoying this uplifting vibration which reaches us with Vedic chanting.
Akhanda mandalakaram vyaptam yena characharam tatpadam darshitam yena tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha.
One day which is very special for all of us is the day when we are born, because that is the day when this whole creation was unveiled for us, and we start recognizing ourselves, identifying with ourselves with the form that we take, and then our parents give us some name, and that becomes a sort of reference point of our identity throughout our lives till the time we take our last breath. We get scared by the reference of last breath. Let's talk about birthday and how do we celebrate birthday. Different traditions bring us different ways of celebrations. And what is the Indian way of celebrating birthday? We talk to Sanskrit brothers. So we have Srinathji telling us the significance of observing birthday in Indian way in Sanskrit. And then we requested Mahadevaji to translate and make it simple for us as to what was it that was said in Sanskrit. Let's take a look.
Janmadin ka visishtata. What is the specialty of the birthday? How to celebrate birthday? According to the Indian tradition and Indian culture, हमारा भारतीय संप्रदाय के अनुसार birthday is the विशिष्ट दिन है. It is the very good day to celebrate. Birthday means how many years we birth in the earth, what are the karyas, good things to do in the future, we are thinking. According to the Maharshi Sampradaya, birthday में प्रातः काल स्नान एंड कुलदेवता का प्रार्थना, माता पितरों का आशीर्वाद, गुरुजी का आशीर्वाद, बड़ा वाला का आशीर्वाद we are taking generally. And that day we are performing pujas about Lord Shiva. He is giving the good Ayush, good life. Ayushya Homam is also performing on the birthday. According to the our Indian Sampradaya, हमारा भारतीय संप्रदाय के अनुसार cake cutting is not Indian culture. The lights, दीपों का off करना, like that they are how many years in the candles off करना, that is not भारतीय संप्रदाय. According to the भारतीय संप्रदाय, दीपों का प्रज्वलन करना means मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमया, तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमया. From the tamas going to the light way, ज्ञान मार्ग में अनुसार करना, ज्ञान मार्ग में ज्ञान पाथ में हम प्रयाण करना, दैट इज़ द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द बर्थडे.
विद्या कैरव कौमुदीं श्रुतिशिरः सीमन्तमुक्तामणिं दारान् पद्मभुवस्त्रिलोकजननीं वन्दे गिरां देवताम्. यत्पादाब्जनमस्क्रिया सुकृतिनां सारस्वतप्रक्रिया बीजन्यासभुवो भवन्ति कविता नाट्यैकजीवातवः.
हमारा भारतीय संप्रदाय के अनुसार विद्या, द नॉलेज ऑफ द अवर ट्रेडिशन, 14 टाइप्स ऑफ द विद्यास. अंगानि वेदाश्चत्वारो मीमांसा न्यायविस्तरः पुराणं धर्मशास्त्रं च विद्याह्येताश्चतुर्दश. दिस इज द 14 विद्यास नेम्स. In the Ayushya, in the birthday celebration, please everybody सरस्वती माता को प्रार्थना करिए. प्रार्थना करना, सरस्वती माता is giving ज्ञानम and Brahmadeva is the top of the all devas. He is the main deva. That's why Brahmadeva is giving, we are praying for Brahmadeva for good Ayush, good life. That is, he told Brahmadeva is the giving, he is the Pradhana Devata in the 33 crores of Devatas. Brahmadeva is giving good Ayush, good life, and Saraswati Devata is giving good Jnanam, means good knowledge. Saraswati Mata is giving. That's why in birthday day, everybody, every Bharati, सरस्वती माता को, ब्रह्मदेव को, गुरुजी को, कुलदेवता को, बड़ावाला को taking आशीर्वचन. This is the rahasya in this procedure.
So we know the story. There are many people do many different things, and in case of Dr. Nuri Dattatreya, after becoming accomplished cancer specialist, he became instrumental in establishing a temple of Shirdi Baba at Balwin by Nuri Foundation, of course, with the help of all the devotees. And then it was the turn of another wonderful center referred to as pilgrimage for Sai devotees that has emerged at Islin, New Jersey. What is it that goes through his mind? We continue with our conversation with Dr. Nuri Dattatreya, and we also talk to him about who gets the privilege of serving Sai Baba.
According to Dr. Nuri Dattatreya, when science and medicine stops, spirituality starts.
I think I'm very pleased that a lot of devotees from New Jersey now can go there, and that has become, with his blessing, because both murtis are identical like Shirdi murtis, become a pilgrimage for all Sai devotees. And it makes me so happy to see on a Thursday, if you go there, people are walking from all corners of Oak Tree Road, Islin and Woodbridge and Edison, just like you see in temples in India. No car, no vehicle, all coming through all channels, coming to the temple. And I'm very lucky that I have the support of a lot of volunteers and other supporters for both mandirs. And someone asked me, some of the news media people, how many members are there in your board? You run 2 big temples here in New York and New Jersey. I said, there are no board members. Who is the head of your committee? I said, Baba is the head of committee. So everything is done through volunteers here. So many devoted volunteers, both here and there. So if you keep him as your chairman of the board, everything goes smoothly.
If you keep him, that is Shirdi Sai Baba, as chairman of the board, then everything goes smoothly. And that's what we all aspire to be able to do, and to follow footsteps of Dr. Nuri Dattatreya in how service and devotion sort of become one at one point of time. And Dr. Nuri, the kind of people that come, it's also related to a wish of Shirdi Baba, wherever you are. talking especially about this particular temple, and I have been coming here for such a long time. Of course, there are many devotees, but I'm just referring to the priests, the presence of priests, and how the puja is performed and how devotees feel welcomed. I think that has a lot to do with the approach, attitude, the devotion of the priest also. So Raghuji served Baba here for a long time, which was a great thing for all devotees. And now we have Sanskrit brothers Mahadevji and Srinathji here. Share with us how Baba probably guided you in bringing who is going to serve him here.
Again, whomever he brings, he has to like them. So all the priests that come from India to here, Raghuji is now in New Jersey, Ravindra Sharma there, Pratap, and here Srinathji and Mahadevji, they are selected by him. I think this is a greatest blessing for them to serve him. I have no doubt about it, because if they don't have the devotion and the sanctity in their mantras, he won't keep them here. And I consider that they are incredibly blessed, because they are doing Abhishekam to Baba, they are doing Archanas, they are reading, Srinathji reads Ramayana, Mahabharata here, that's what he likes them. And you think that he's just wasting his time. No, he puts this idea into his mind, read Ramayana here, I would like to read Ramavijayam here. So this is, unless you know his modus operandi, you think that this is a simple thing. There is a profound meaning in everything that happens in a mandir like this. So I'm lucky that we have very qualified, highly learned Pandits both here and in Islin Temple. And first thing I would like to do is to make them happy. So we have a house we bought both here and in Islin for them to stay. They don't have to take a car or any other transportation, just open the back door, they are here. So that is the kind of convenience, because they should be available for all the devotees when they come to pray to Baba. Again, it happens so many times in both mandirs. Just before closing, they get an idea into their mind, we had to do something, we forgot to do something in the mandir. So they open it, they do whatever they're supposed to do, and ready to go. Now 3 or 4 devotees come into the mandir. At that minute, then you realize he delayed them going out of the mandir, not for them, because someone else is coming here. So those kind of connections, I can narrate to you hundreds and thousands, both here and in Islam. So watching him do his subtle miracles is most joyful experience of any devotee.
There are different colors which brings joy to us in our lives, and one of the color is the color of devotion. And here is Tripti ji, who is full of devotion for the music as well as for Shirdi Baba, sharing this particular bhajan again in Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai, which invokes the presence of Shirdi Baba and says, Bhaj man rang ja sai rang mein.
Shri
Time to immerse ourselves in Sai Leela by the sequential reading of Sai Charitra. Today is the turn of 15th chapter of Sai Charitra.
अध्याय 15वां नारदीय कीर्तन पद्धति श्री चोलकर की शक्कर रहित चाय 2 छिपकलियां आपको स्मरण होगा कि छठे अध्याय के अनुसार शिरडी में राम नवमी उत्सव मनाया जाता था। ये कैसे शुरू हुआ और पहले साल ही इस अवसर पर कीर्तन करने के लिए एक अच्छे हरिदास के मिलने में क्या क्या कठिनाइयाँ हुई, इसका वर्णन वहाँ किया गया है। इस अध्याय में दास गणु की कीर्तन पद्धति का वर्णन होगा। नारदीय कीर्तन पद्धति। अक्सर हरिदास कीर्तन करते समय एक लंबा अंगरछा और पूरी पोशाक पहनते हैं। वे सिर पर फेंटा या साफा बांधते हैं और एक लंबा कोट और भीतर कमीज, कंधे पर गमछा और सदैव की भांति एक लंबी धोती पहनते हैं। एक बार गांव में कीर्तन के लिए जाते हुए दास गणु भी इस रीति से सज धज कर बाबा को प्रणाम करने पहुंचे। बाबा उन्हें देखते ही कहने लगे, अच्छा दूल्हा राजा, इस तरह बंठन कर कहां जा रहे हो? उत्तर मिला कि कीर्तन के लिए। बाबा ने पूछा कि कोट, गमछा और फेंटे, इन सब की आवश्यकता ही क्या है? इनको अभी मेरे सामने ही उतारो, इस शरीर पर इन्हें धारण करने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। दास गणु ने इन वस्त्रों को फिर कभी नहीं पहना। वो सदैव कमर से ऊपर अंग खुले रखकर हाथ में करताल और गले में हार पहनकर ही कीर्तन किया करते थे। ये पद्धति यद्यपि हरिदासों द्वारा अपनाई गई पद्धति के अनुरूप नहीं है, परंतु फिर भी शुद्ध और पवित्र है। कीर्तन पद्धति के जन्मदाता नारद मुनि कटी से यानी कमर से ऊपर सिर तक कोई वस्त्र धारण नहीं करते थे। वे एक हाथ में वीणा लेकर हरि कीर्तन करते हुए तीनों लोकों में घूमते थे। श्री चोलकर की शक्कर रहित चाय। बाबा की कीर्ति पूना और अहमदनगर जिलों में फैल चुकी थी, परंतु श्री नाना साहेब चांदोरकर के व्यक्तिगत वार्तालाप और दासगणु के मधुर कीर्तन द्वारा बाबा की कीर्ति कोंकण, बंबई प्रांत में भी फैल गई। इसका श्रेय केवल श्री दासगणु को ही है। भगवान उन्हें सदैव सुखी रखें। उन्होंने अपने सुंदर प्राकृतिक कीर्तन से बाबा को घर घर पहुंचा दिया। श्रोताओं की रुचि अक्सर भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की होती है। किसी को हरिदासों की विद्वता, किसी को भाव, किसी को गायन, तो किसी को चुटकुले और किसी को वेदांत विवेचन और किसी को उनकी मुख कथा रुचिकर प्रतीत होती है। परंतु ऐसे बिरले ही हैं जिनके हृदय में संत कथा या कीर्तन सुनकर श्रद्धा और प्रेम उमड़ता हो। श्री दासगणु का कीर्तन श्रोताओं के हृदय पर स्थायी प्रभाव डालता था। एक ऐसी ही घटना है। एक समय ठाणे के श्री कोपिनेश्वर मंदिर में श्री दासगणु कीर्तन में श्री साईं बाबा का गुणगान कर रहे थे। श्रोताओं में एक चोलकर नाम के व्यक्ति, जो ठाणे के दीवानी न्यायालय में एक अस्थायी कर्मचारी थे, भी वहां उपस्थित थे। दासगणु का कीर्तन सुनकर वो बहुत प्रभावित हुए और मनी मन बाबा को नमन कर प्रार्थना करने लगे कि हे बाबा, मैं बहुत निर्धन व्यक्ति हूँ और अपने कुटुंब का भरण पोषण भी भली भांति करने में असमर्थ हूँ। यदि मैं आपकी कृपा से विभागीय परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो गया तो आपके श्री चरणों में उपस्थित होकर आपके निमित्त मिश्री का प्रसाद बांटूंगा। भाग्य ने पलटा खाया और चोलकर परीक्षा में उत्तीर्ण हो गया। उसकी नौकरी भी स्थायी हो गई। अब केवल संकल्प ही शेष रहा। शुभस्य शीघ्रम। श्री चोलकर निर्धन तो था ही और उसका कुटुंब भी बड़ा था, अतः वो शिरडी यात्रा के लिए मार्ग व्यय जुटाने में असमर्थ हुआ। ठाणे जिले में एक कहावत प्रचलित है कि नाड़े घाट व सह्याद्री पर्वत श्रेणियां कोई भी सरलता पूर्वक पार कर सकता है, परंतु गरीब को ऊंबर घाट यानी घर का चक्कर पार करना बड़ा ही कठिन होता है। श्री चोलकर अपना संकल्प शीघ्रता से पूरा करने के लिए उत्सुक थे। उन्होंने मित व्ययी बनकर अपना खर्च घटाकर पैसा बचाने का निश्चय किया। इस कारण उन्होंने बिना शक्कर की चाय पीना प्रारंभ किया और इस तरह कुछ द्रव्य एकत्रित कर वो शिरडी पहुंचे। उन्होंने बाबा का दर्शन कर उनके चरणों पर गिरकर नारियल भेंट किया और अपने संकल्प के अनुसार श्रद्धा से मिश्री वितरित की और बाबा से बोले कि आपके दर्शन से मेरे हृदय को अत्यंत प्रसन्नता हुई है। मेरी समस्त इच्छाएं तो आपकी कृपा दृष्टि से उसी दिन पूरी हो चुकी थीं। मस्जिद में श्री चोलकर का आतिथ्य करने वाले श्री बापू साहेब जोग भी वहां उपस्थित थे। जब वो दोनों वहाँ से जाने लगे तो बाबा जोग से इस तरह कहने लगे कि अरे अपने अतिथि को चाय के प्याले में अच्छी तरह शक्कर मिला कर देना। इन अर्थपूर्ण शब्दों को सुनकर श्री चोलकर का हृदय भर आया और उन्हें बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ। उनके नेत्रों से अश्रुधाराएं प्रवाहित होने लगीं और वो प्रेम से विवल होकर श्री चरणों पर गिर पड़े। श्री जोग को अपने अतिथि को चाय के प्याले में अच्छी तरह शक्कर मिलाकर देना, ये विचित्र आज्ञा सुनकर बड़ा कौतूहल हो रहा था कि वास्तव में इसका अर्थ क्या है। बाबा ने उन्हें संकेत किया कि वे शक्कर छोड़ने के गुप्त निश्चय से भली भांति परिचित हैं।
चल
That is all the time that we have for Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai today, but here are few announcements. The most important one is related to today. Happy Raksha Bandhan. This is also referred to as Rishi Panchami. And in Indian tradition, this day was observed as Rishi Tarpan. So we acknowledge the grace and the contribution of our sages in our lives. And today is a special day to remember your Guru, to also remember those who have been instrumental in shaping your lives in a very special way. And of course, as we all observe, this as a special bond between brother and sister. And may all the brothers and sisters have the choicest feelings of love for each other, one another. From Raksha Bandhan to another important festival that is coming our way on 10th August, which is Janmashtami. So we are going to have a special Janmashtami oriented segment of Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai on next Thursday, 6:30 p.m., which again, as you know, is repeated following Friday. And now moving over to another important event that is coming up with the presence of Vishwayogi Vishwamji Maharaj, who would be visiting New York and New Jersey. So 16th August he will be addressing at Shirdi Sai Temple, which is at Baldwin, and on 17th August he will be addressing at Islin Temple. With all these Sai calendar oriented information, this is time to thank you all for being with us with lots of good wishes. Looking forward to meeting you again next week in Shirdi Sai Vishwa Sai. Sai Ram.
नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमस्ताम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वधाय च नमो हन्त्रे जहनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च
निरञ्जनी सद्गुरु स्वामी निज विलसी